Hi, class of 2023 college-bound parents. Since I'm going to reschedule our meeting tomorrow, I thought I better make a short but very informative video for you on the college selection process. I'll say more about it at our next meeting, but there's some things I'm seeing and some reminders I need to give you. When colleges admit your student, it's an exciting moment. Please try your best not to make promises until you know what the college will cost and you have a plan for repayment that's satisfactory to you. Now, for example, if you've already decided you're going to take out debt, that's no problem. Just a matter of how much and go for it. But you really want to withhold the decision till you know how much it will cost. Now, I have a tool that I gave you earlier. I'll see if I can put the link down in the bottom. You can click, there's a spreadsheet where you can put in the information from the financial aid report when you get it, financial aid award or report or whatever they call it, when you get it. But you should withhold decision. I know as students it's hard for you, but that's really what should happen. The next thing is start thinking about how you're going to visit all these colleges. That's probably how you're going to decide where you go. I mean, if you applied to 20, 30 colleges, now you're figuring out that how are you going to decide? It's going to be the one you visit. You can't visit them all. And their financial aid awards are not going to be drastically different, especially for private colleges. And that's when you have 20 or 30. Most of them are private colleges. So how will you decide where you visit? Number three, when you do visit, make sure you visit when the schools are open. Like a lot of people think just go on spring break, and maybe that school's on spring break. That's the worst time to visit a college. You want to see it when students are actually present. Before, be careful of the things you might hear you or your students say. Like a lot of times, parents will say they don't want to take a school that's very affordable because it's a party school. I got news for you. I've had students in 60 or 70 different colleges, including Christian colleges too. And I have to say this, any school could be a party school. And I don't know how you define partying is the other thing. Do you mean immoral activities like drinking and smoking and drugs and sex and that kind of thing? I hate to upset you, but these things are happening on every campus or around every campus anyway. I have a lot more to say about that. It's going to be your values at the end of the day that sustain your students. So let's not make that an extra thing to worry about when we're trying to find the best college for students. I'm hearing that a lot this year. I don't know why, but it is coming up a lot. And I'm a man of God, so clearly I think that's true. Your students sustain on your values and what you've taught them. Um, that's the way it is. Number five, I think it's five. Parents, you have a vote in this decision, and both you and the students have to be in consensus. Too many times I'm hearing wherever they decide they want to go, that's where I'll send them. Well, it's really not up to them totally. They're not paying for it. I think you should have something to say, even if you are paying the money to send them where they want. They should not feel that they're making the decision. They should not be really told that it's up to them. You'll send them wherever they say. Um, Number six, there's no way you're going to attend a school that you don't visit. So keep that in mind. You're going to want to visit that school too and plan for it accordingly. I have a separate video about how to visit colleges very shortly. But I hope that helps. I know it's a very stressful time of the year for students and parents. Uh, students always will think it's the end of the world. They don't get the college they want, but they all survive it. My daughter wanted to go to certain colleges. It didn't work out. She's a fine young lady. She's developed very well. I see it all the time. So don't feel that they can't get the college they want. It's over somehow. And they'll tell you that, but it's not really true. And these things are, God will put them in the school they're supposed to be in. He's that way. He's a great God. And even if you don't believe in God, things tend to work out in these situations anyway. All right, God bless you. I hope that helps. I'm here to help you. I've spoken to a lot of you already um, about the college decision, but get a hold of me. My email address is down below. You're seeing this on social media, on Twitter. You see my Twitter handle. If you're seeing it on any one of our platforms, you'll know how to get me there. Just get a hold of me, even in the comment section to this YouTube. No matter where you are in the country, I want to help you to make the right decision for college. I don't really tell people where to go. I help them to make the decision and determine what process is best to decide where their student is going to go for college. Thank you very much. God bless you now. Bye-bye.